So finally got the tri-link all buttoned up and connected, and I've run it through its paces a few times. I don't really have a great jack to be jacking this rear end up, so it's kind of like as the best I can do. I've had each side stuffed up at least at 8 inches. I can easily go more. This is, I think, as high as the jack goes right now. So this is basically what I have. And I can't really test the full droop because I have nothing to pick the truck up right now. So, but looking at this, I don't see how it's gonna bind drooping in its current form. So I guess we'll have to see, but I can let it down eventually here. And get and goes back to where it should be. So I think I got it all kind of figured out. It's all tack welded right now. Nothing's been cleaned up, finished. So now that it works, I think I'm gonna do is weld in some pieces from here to here to my frame, just as placeholders for my coilovers for now, until I buy some coilovers, and then I'll mount the bottom coilover mounts in the shock in the towers and figure out how that's all gonna work. But for now, I think I'm gonna just put some pieces in, and I will move to the front end because I have all the parts to put the front end together. So I think that's gonna be it for this side. Now I gotta turn the truck around because the front of the truck, kids' play table, is buried at the front of the shop. So this weekend I think I'm gonna flip it around so that I can start assembling the front end. But that's the progress I've made so far, which I think is pretty good. I still got to finish up the truss as well. There's 2 side pieces that have to go on it, but I think I'll come back to that when I do the coilover mounts. Anyways, that's the update so far. Yeah, things are going good.